If you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe so you know when I go live next. Join Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. And we're back. We are back. How are we all? I wonder if I just get rid of this, eh? Maybe that'll look... Yeah, that's better. That's better. Speedy, g'day. Thank you for liking. Is the like counter working? Yes, sweet. Back from TikTok jail. What do we need today? 100 minutes? Yep, easy. Probably won't hit that unless we get like a shitload of viewers. Nah. We'll hit that. One short video. Do I want to do that? I'll do that later. Probably won't do that unless we get a shitload of viewers. But I think I got a flare. Get the fuck out of here. I got a flare. Welcome back. Thank you very much, Meeksy. Back from jail. No fucking way. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh, for fuck's sake. Well, no fucking flares today. Damn it. Oh well. We'll deal. We'll just have to get that organic growth, you know. Anyway, I'm back. Thank you, Meeksy, for liking. Did you have a bat today, mate? No, I did not. Too busy. You trade meme coins or Forex? I forgot. Forex. I have fucked around on meme coins. I made a couple of my own, but I was just bored. Like, I was literally just bored. Like in the Wall Street, yeah. Keep those stress levels down. Forex, yep. Thank you, Speedy. Yeah, meme coins are just fucking, I don't know. You're just going to treat it like fun and games and gambling. You're just going to treat it like gambling. Yeah, extremely volatile in menacing. Oh, meme coins. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm talking about, like, I was in the trenches, like pump.fun trenches, doing that shit. And then on fucking deck screener and shit. So, yeah, I've been in the trenches for a bit. And then I got out because I was just fucking... It was just gambling. Literally just gambling. What you drive? Pagani Huayra. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, it is fucked. But it's fun. Like, it's fun. And it's, like, exhilarating. But, you know... Cap. Nah, what are you talking about? Dude, it's like cheap. Have you not seen my background? It's my old car, shit car, and my old other transportation device. Just, these are like the old. Got rid of them, they're fucking old and shit. I know, I'm funny. Adrian Portelli from Wish. What the fuck? Yeah, that's me. He does it right. Adrian, he makes a lot of money, that guy. Came for the new... Oh my fucking God, dude. Oh, it's so painful, man. That's what I've been doing. I've been literally on it for fucking... like hours. it's hard to, like, the thing that's stopping me is thinking about everything that I have to put in there, right? Like, so I cut it back, you know. We're getting there, but we're at 42, back up to 42 slides, but it's just fucking, man, like, oh, it's been a fucking headache and a half, but I'm getting there. I spent hours and hours and hours yesterday. I spent a couple hours today. The other thing is putting it into the correct order. That's slowing me down a lot too. I'm like diving into like old notes and shit that I have and just, I don't know, I'm just trying to get, it's taking a long time, and I apologize it's taking a long time, but I'm just trying to make it as in-depth as possible. It's, yeah. You're buying CRCL tomorrow. I don't even know what that is. Is that too loud, actually, by the way? No, it should be good. Stock. I don't even know what the fuck that is. I'll be honest. Fuck, it's up, bud. Past couple months. Monthly, it's up 91%. Nice. Yeah, I don't know what it is though. The fair king needs a fair queen. That would double the radiance blinding us all. Thank you. I have a fair queen. How much impact do you think news will be for AU? I don't know. I really don't know. You can never really prepare for, like, you don't really know what the fuck is going to happen. We got unemployment tonight, which expecting a little bit of a drop. So we might see a bit of US dollar strength potentially, but I presume the majority of it will be waiting for tomorrow. So if we do get that drop on unemployment, we might be looking down here. Yo, what's going on? Nice. Okay, I'm live streaming, but yeah. Okay, yeah, what? Spenderella, thank you very much for following me. Yeah, sorry, continue. Yeah, let me just mute real quick. Guys, we'll be back in 1 second. I'm back. What's good? Sorry. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so we could get a drop on the news tonight, depending on how... Oh no, that's unemployment claims. Yes, we could get a drop. Lux Lash, baby. Thank you very much for following me. ECB probably won't do shit. Neither will refinancing rate for the euro. But you are in a lot of euro, so the press conference. Keep an eye on that. And then yesterday, non-farm. That's the big one. We don't know what's going to happen. We just don't. You just have to be prepared, and if you're in too much exposure, you can get caught out. But for now, you should be fine. We might get a little bit more of a push up, and then in anticipation for the drop back down. So just keep an eye on that. How's the market treating you? Good. What platform can I use to day trade with my own funds? Crypto market down right now. Yeah, fuck crypto. Crypto sucks. I use MetaTrader 4 and Blackpool Markets for my broker. Spenderella, thank you again for following me. The fair king and his fair queen. What a beautiful combination. It's so dreamy. Yes, absolutely. Lux Slash, baby, thank you again. Hello, Tom. Do you have any broker deals currently? I have an affiliate link with my broker that I've never been paid a cent for, and people have signed up. They don't tell you the commission structure, so you can't like expose it or whatever. So I mean, I don't even really care about it, but I've got the link there. ASIC license. Nope, this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Josiah 2, thank you very much for following me. Oh wow, so no actually contract so you can get paid. I don't know if there's, no, there's no contract. What up, Sienna? How you going? Josiah. How are you? What's good? Why do you ask that? FX unlocked. What's the go here? Are you like a fucking broker or some shit? Okay. I'm goodish. What's going on? What pairs do I trade? I trade 28 different Forex pairs. So I trade pretty much all of them. So anything Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, CAD, US dollar, Euro, pound, Swiss yen. But at the moment, all Swiss and yen pairs are turned off except for pound Swiss and US dollar yen and Swiss yen. I've added Swiss yen in. So, yep. I got lots of exposure. It's just how I trade. It's unconventional to most people. Well, I was asking, is we a Dubai firm working with 20 plus brokers? Yeah, I haven't found a broker that's better than mine. That's why I don't really care about their commission structure or anything. Like, it's just, and I don't want to fucking get involved with, offshore brokers, Seychelles brokers and shit like that. Seychelles brokers. Or any of that shit. Like, I'm pretty happy with just my broker in general. I've been using them for a very long time, and I just got an affiliate link because like that's what fucking people do. Just watching and learning, bro. Still new. Awesome. Well, welcome. And any questions you have, I am here to help. Not financial advice. What's going on, Lucas? How are you? Best time to trade Euro USD? Depends on your strategy. Really depends on your strategy. That's a subjective question. For me, it doesn't matter because I'm more of like a swing type trader. I'm in between like day trading and swing trading. So the best time during the day doesn't really matter. Obviously, you have more volume coming in during New York session, and if you're like more of a scalper, that's what you'd be looking for, is the volume through New York session, but it's subjective to how you trade. Dean Santa Rose, thank you very much, brother. I appreciate that. Some of my family moved them away. I was really close to them. Fuck, that sucks. That's really shit. Oh, like when you get over, you can travel and go see them, and it's happened to me. It's probably happened to everyone. So yeah, that sucks to hear, but it'll be all good. How much are you making on average a day? In percentages, because that's all I talk about. On average per day, up to 0.5% a day. Monthly, I'm at around 7.5%. We could discuss if any of our brokers you're interested in and can get you a nice deal with one for you. Sure. I mean, yeah, sure. I use Blackpool Markets. I'm with Blackpool Markets. But yeah, if you you can hit me up and we can talk, get in a meeting or whatever. I'm happy with that. Are you running it day, minute? Are you talking about what time frame I use? I use the 1 hourly time frame for confirmation, and then 5 minute for entry. What up, Jam Hot? How are we? HUM gonna blow up. Healthcare peaking and XLV is recovering, now leading. If that's stocks, I got no idea what you're talking about. I have nothing to do with stocks. So, sorry, mate. That's just, if I know nothing about something, I'm not gonna fucking pretend like I do. I got no idea what that even is. Why are you day trading at night? Because the markets are open 24 hours, 5 days a week. Thoughts on break of structure, fair value gap trading? Well, fair value gaps have been around since the 1990s. They're originally called wide range bars. It is a great tool that you can use to use as more of like a magnet towards price potentially going there and filling those gaps. And I suppose you could use entries off of fair value gaps, but that's just not what I would particularly do. And it depends on your time frame too. If you're trying to scalp that shit, it's going to be very difficult. Some trades are open at night. Yep. Okay. Yes. 50x leverage, big boy. But I live in Sydney. They live like basically on the border of Queensland, New South Wales. Yeah, that's a big fucking jump. Sienna, thank you very much for sharing the live. I'm really pissed off that we can't get a fucking flare. That sucks. They're all gone. I should have kept one in the back pocket just in case that happened, because I fucking knew it would happen. Oh well. What can you do, laddie? Meegsy at 3,500 likes. Fucking hell. Jacob, thank you very much for following me. Fair King, 723. Sienna, 600. Speedy, 440. Jesus, 300. Thank you guys for liking. It helps a lot. More than you know. They're using, leverage, 100%. I use 1 to 500 leverage. Why can't you get the flare? They're out of stock. For some reason, they have stock on flares. I don't know. And they ran out of stock, which is just weird. But whatever. Always, yep. How much leverage? That's stupid, not gonna lie. Yeah. 1 to 500. Yes, 1 to 500. It's not as scary as it seems, right? You need that for margin and lot sizes. If you had no leverage, you wouldn't be able to do anything. Like, you literally would be stuck at fucking 0.01 lot sizes. And I trade multiple different pairs. I'm always in drawdown. How much on a position? Well, it depends. So I've actually just changed. I was at 0.1% of my account because I only trade based on my account size, right? So my lot sizes are dependent on my account size. So I was using 0.1%, per initial entry and then scaling in at a 1.3 times multiplier. But I have changed that today to 0.25%, which is what I usually run, is 0.25%. But just because of the market conditions and everything that was happening around the world and fucking Trump and blah, 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 I chucked it back down to 0.1%. And then now I'm pretty happy with market conditions. And, you know, I had a slow month last month, so we're bumping it back up to what we would normally be using. Alex Rawiri 522. Thank you very much for following me. I appreciate it. Appreciate it a lot. Can't believe how fucking flares are gone. I gotta be fucking careful. I cannot continuously I literally got suspended two days in a row. So I gotta be careful. What market gives you? I don't understand. OD Lord what? Well, good man, how's your day going? It's going pretty good. Pretty good. Woke up, heavily caffeinated, gym, workout, come home, start working straight away. And then now here we are, live streaming. Literally, how do you get suspended 2 days in a row? It was the most ridiculous suspension ever. Like, I don't even know. It was because I said a word that it was just ridiculous. I don't even want to say it because it's not a swear word, nothing. Like, and I was like, what? So yeah. I work right now, but can't miss your TikTok lives, bruh. Thank you. How is work? Nice. Show us some Forex magic. There's not much going on. I'm in positions, but we're just kind of holding steady right now. There's nothing really to report back. Why are you not doing this? Like, currently just waiting for US dollar yen to pop. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar would be nice as well. But we're sitting in some drawdown here, but we will probably get out of this. We should take another position on this around here. I'm guessing because this move was too strong upwards, we didn't get our position in. So around here, we should be getting another position. Hopefully we get another pushback down. And then get another position in, back up. But we're just sitting sideways, eh? Like, for a couple days now. Where's my fucking pen? So, because I'm not a scalper, and because everyone has the attention span of a fucking frog, my streams aren't as entertaining. That's why I like to just come in here and chat. But we're pretty much just sitting sideways. We had a little dip back down, and then I'm sure that was just institutions grabbing some liquidity to come back up, or some news. I actually can't remember. Tuesday. It's probably news. And then back up here, just sideways, just happy sitting around here. So if I don't get in a position down here, because I'm presuming this will tap off of last week's low again and then come back up. If I don't, I'll keep an eye on this, and if I don't get in a position using the bot, I will just manually enter, which is fine. I'll just add 1.3 times on top of my initial lot size. My next lot size, and then hopefully my break-even level will come down to here, and then we'll target this gap for exits. So yeah, which is might be hard to get out of that. Yeah, Won't be hard to get out of that at all. So yeah, just sitting around waiting at the moment for that one. Paul, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that a lot. Anyway, and I said, oh dear Lord, because of what you do when someone follows. All right, yeah, the humiliation ritual. It's great. Not gonna lie, making good commissions at the moment. Fuck yeah. What trade app is that? MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4. I saw you on your first stream. Did you actually? Sienna was there on my first stream. She's been here for months and months and months. Like, did you actually? TikTok is stupid. I write in Romanian the word how which is different meaning in English, so they delete. Oh, Jesus. That's fucked. Are you Romanian? That's pretty cool. Banu, thank you very much for following me. Yeah, that's cooked, George. Fuck that. Paul, again, thank you very much for following me. What do you trade? Forex and indices. Mostly Forex, though. What's the average profit you make daily? I mean, it changes every day. Average 0.35%. I don't even know. Let me do my usual average and then like my monthly average. 0.375%. If you range that to my monthly average, it'll be around there. But that doesn't always happen. It's usually we get big moves and I bang profit on a lot of my positions. Barno, thank you again for following me. Yo, what do you think about Apple Intelligent Meme Coin and Tim Cook speaking about AI at 10th of July? I don't pay attention to stocks or Forex. So, I don't know. 0.35%. What's that in dollars? I don't talk about dollars. I only talk in percentages for reasons that you can probably figure out. And percentage gain is pretty much the only thing that really matters as well. Like why dollars? The only thing that matters is percentage gain on your overall account size. Our job as traders is capital preservation, risk management, and growing your account percentage by percentage per month. Well, I don't see what dollars has anything to do with that. What up, Jesus? How are you? That was fucking sour. If you have not tried this, you have to. If you have not tried this, you have to. Flying Power's elite as it is, right? They made a white monster equivalent. Oh, so good. So good. What platform would be good to day trade on? Crypto mark? Yeah, you asked that before. I said MetaTrader 4. That's what I trade on. You can use TradingView if you want to feel smarter, because that's all TradingView is. It's so people can feel smarter. It looks pretty, but yeah. I use MetaTrader 4. Because everyone's materialistic and need to see the cash for proof. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's Fair enough, because it's just the internet. It's how everyone's fucking programmed towards this sort of industry. You need to be showing like millions of dollars and Lamborghinis and all this bullshit, and it's just, that's how you get scammed. What time is it? 7:19 p.m. Mr. Rubin. Ah, that's so annoying. I can't get a fucking flare. Can I trick the system? Fuck. Oh well. Trader and marketers are worlds apart. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, they really are. Like, the marketing shit, the marketing people are off on fucking trips to fucking here and there and saying they're making all this fucking money from their phones and all this shit. Traders sit in front of their computers and pay attention to fucking the news. Just people just don't see that because they only see the fucking materialistic shit, which is exactly what Meigsy said. Do you teach? Yeah, I do. I have a mentorship program where people get the expert advisor or the trading bot that I use, one-on-one calls with me, and I'm currently, and I have the course material and everything, the videos and all that shit. I'm currently maybe a week away from dropping this too, which is going to be a masterclass, like a full, this thing's so fucking in depth. I got 42 slides so far of knowledge, and it's fucking, it is like full in depth. I've already got all the course material and all the macroeconomics and all that shit already done, but this one I'm just like making all OCD and fucking, yeah. So yeah, I do. And any courses? Yep. What broker do you use? Black Bull Markets. I took 3 trades on BBAI and Robinhood flagged me up, still up 15. Jesus Christ. Good job. Do you make more than a teacher? What do you think? Do you teach? Yep. How much is it? $47 a month, US. Cheapest I can make it, otherwise it just makes absolutely no sense. Because I do, like, all of this stuff, everything's free. So I need to charge something for my time, otherwise it's worth nothing. Waka waka, I don't know what that means. So you recommend demo trading until profitable? Absolutely. Abso-fucking-lutely. And profitable for how long? Because obviously a loss is inevitable. That's subjective to everyone, until you're comfortable, really. Yeah, seeing different types of market conditions is great when you're demo trading. I demo traded for 2 years, so I got pretty much fucking everything. I got to see everything. But yeah, it really depends on each individual. Some people don't even fucking demo. I got people in the mentorship that didn't even fucking go demo and is making money. So yeah. What time chart? I use 1 hour for my higher time frame, and I'm seeing your messages. It's all good. And 5 minutes for my lower time frame entry. Dennis Ellis, thank you very much for following me. But the thing with my bot is you can customize it to use on whatever time frame you want. So you can do 50, if you've got a full-time job and you don't have as much time to pay attention to the markets, you can use the 4-hourly time frame for your high time frame bias and the M15 for lower time frame entries, where you can go, daily and hourly, or fucking weekly and daily, or fucking, you can do 5 minute for your high time frame and 1 minute for entries if you're an absolute psychopath. So yeah, it's subjective to everyone and what they want to do and how they want to trade. Not everybody's the same. Some people need that constant in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Some people don't have as much time to pay attention to the markets. And that's okay until, you know, till you can make it out and go on your own and fucking do all that shit. Do a lower time frame. Does the bot work okay for the ASX 200? I wouldn't use it on the ASX 200. I don't think I have the ASX up. I don't even know how the ASX moves because I never, ever, ever have never traded it. I've traded very frequently Dow Jones, S&P 500 and NASDAQ for New York, and the DAX and FTSE for London. I've done that quite a lot, so I am familiar with how they move. I'm not familiar with how the ASX moves. No. So I doubt it. So yeah, no, it would not work on this. So the way that we trade is mean reversion. So mean reversion is what currencies do. They spend 70 to 80% of their time in a range like this, right? This is the ASX 200, so this isn't the best example, but this is just a standard range. So Forex currencies spend 70 to 80% of the time doing that. So we take trades on extensions like this, kind of like support and resistance, but we need a good enough extension for the pullback. I explain it all in the mentorship. And we basically want that to happen. Or, you know, you get larger extensions like this and we, you know, say we get in here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. And then we scale in until we get our pullback, which our average price would be about there because we scale in at a 1.3x multiplier. So we're adding trades on each time and then we get out. Boom. And then let's say, oh, we got a big extension down here. Maybe we get in here. Maybe it's extended for us enough. We get our little pullback, so we get an entry there. And then we get our pullback because with currencies, right? When people are buying and selling currencies, institutions will drive the price like crazy up, right? So this is a great example. Actually, that's a 5-minute time frame. That's a pretty shit example. Let's do it on the daily. All right. Let's say this, right? Let's say this one, for example. So every buyer has to turn into a seller, right? So let's say institutions, large financial institutions, banks, hedge funds, pension funds are buying these things up, right? They're buying, they're in profit. What do they have to do when they have to take profit? They have to turn into sellers. So what happens when you get these big moves like this? They've got to take into, and this is the daily chart, they've got to turn into sellers at some point, and that's when the price drives back down. That's how you get market structure. Buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. The only thing is, like the reason why it moves like this and the reason why it goes up and down is because there is a conviction in price between buyers and sellers. There's more buyers, there's more buyers, more buyers than sellers. Oh, there's a few sellers here, there's more buyers, more buyers, more buyers. People are buying this shit up. They have to turn into sellers at some point. They have to. Buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. This is how the market works. Buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. It's pretty straightforward. And we take advantage of that. There's no fucking anything that you can come up with, and this is something that I want to talk about a little bit more. Any reason that you might be able to come up with that if you're on the fucking 5-minute chart, right? Let's say you're on the 5-minute chart looking at a scalp and you're like, oh, okay. this level broke down here. You know what? I'm going to buy here. And you buy it. And the price goes fucking ballistic. And you're like, holy shit. That was a sniper entry. I'm really good at this. There is no anything, no indicator, no nothing that can explain why you bought it there that makes sense. Just because the fucking hedge fund with fucking billions of dollars decided to drive the fucking price up here. You can't explain that. How the fuck do you know what the fuck they're gonna do? You know what they could have done? They could have done something like this. You're like, oh, okay, here's another example. Boom. Boom. Price just fucking absolutely shit itself. Because the banks and institutions decided to do that. You can't, because there were more sellers than buyers. You can't predict that shit. Is there good setups? On what? That's what I tried mainly. Yeah, I don't trade the ASX 200. How much did you make so far, mate? On what? Hi, sorry, didn't reply. Was doing grocery shopping. I don't realize how trading NASDAQ works. You should trade an entire ETF for S&P 500. I don't even understand what you're saying. Jesus, sorry. Would you buy Bitcoin now or wait for a massive dip? It's hard to tell. I wouldn't buy Bitcoin now. I actually don't know what the price is at, but we can have a look. What was I just talking about, right? A difference in conviction between buyers and sellers. So all these people that bought Bitcoin, the Hype Man 84 and Jolie World, thank you very much for following me. All these people, even if it's institutions, whoever the fuck it is, millionaires, billionaires, buying up Bitcoin, right? They're buying it. We cracked all-time highs. They have to take profit at some point. They just have to take profit on some point. Price is going to come down. If we have enough hype, because Bitcoin crypto bro's going to hate me, doesn't have that big of a use, right? It does, but it's not regulated and fucking all of that shit, right? So there isn't really a reason why we would see such a massive pump. Jill, thank you very much for following me. There's not that big of a reason why we would have this huge pump unless it got like regulated and had use for banks and shit like that. And I'm not well versed in crypto at all, so take what I'm saying with a grain of salt. But all I see is a lot of people buying this up. People are in profit. People are in a shitload of profit, right? People are going to get fearful and they're going to get out. And then more people are going to get fearful because they're going to go, oh, a fucking bear market's happening. Let's get out. And then that's what happens with shit like this. And then we end up back down here. And then people start to buy it. They see it's coming up. I'm going to buy two. 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 And then we run out of buyers because there's no one left to fucking buy it. So people start selling. Once we stagnate around here, they're going to do this exact same thing again. I potentially think. Again, I'm not that well versed in crypto, but it's all the same shit. See you later, Meegsy. Thank you very much for all the likes. I'm sure you fucking absolutely smashed it. 6.4K. Holy shit. Get back to work. Thank you very much for tuning in and showing the support that you usually do. I appreciate that a lot. Zodiac sign. Libra? Is that what... Dude, this is how much I don't know what that even is. Is that what... Yeah. Fucking hell. Yeah, Zodiac. Yeah, Libra. What would you say is the best beginner trading app? Either MetaTrader 4 or TradingView. But I started off at TradingView, but I changed to MetaTrader 4 because it's better. Thank you. All good, Jolie. For Bitcoin to even 50%, you would need the market cap to absolutely skyrocket. Put your money elsewhere. Yeah. Jill, again, thank you very much for following me. XRP has more use than Bitcoin. See, I don't even fucking know that. Like, this will, and this is a terrible fucking, like, I guess we're kind of getting down to the lows, and I guess that's why I just had a little bit of a pull up, but we will most likely see all-time highs again on XRP. So, it's just, and I say this almost every stream, it's just how long can you hold XRP? How much drawdown can you get into before you fucking decide that it's just too much and you cut your losses, or you just blow your account, right? And to even get up to all-time highs, like, without leverage, you're not making much. So you need to be leveraged. I use XRP for the dark. I don't know what that is. Can you check out BRKB? I don't know what that is. Berkshire Hathaway. I probably should have known what that is, but yeah, I got nothing to do with stocks. I mean, I don't know what you want me to look at with that one. To be honest, I got fucking no idea. I don't trade stocks. Sorry. How do I fund a TradingView account? I don't know. I was demoing TradingView. I got fucking absolutely no idea. I have absolutely fucking no idea. You can probably just link it through your broker. Like I'm sure there's just like a sign-in option through your broker. Yeah, I can't remember. I was only demoing there, and that was fucking like 4-5 years ago. So yeah, I feel. Bro, I predicted that pound yen will do a reversal on the gap, and it did, and my TP was there, but I took out at 250. I mean, like, that's great, right? I mean, you got some coin, but well, for starters, you can't really, like, you can have a bias, but you can't predict, right? And that's just a psychological problem then. That's just your psychology being shit. If you took it out early, if you're not sticking to your plan or whatever. If your plan incorporates you taking out early, then that's fine. But if it doesn't, then your psychology fucked up somewhere. Can you tell all the XRP processes payments 1,000 times faster than Bitcoin? It had more volume than Bitcoin last month. True, fucking hell. Okay. I didn't know that. Can you tell all the XRP holders it ain't going any higher? Do you use Hyperliquid or MEXC? I don't know what either of them are. I have fucking no idea what that is. And dude, I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen with XRP at all. Trade BBAI. I don't want to broker. I want to use my own funds. Oh. I don't even know if you can do that. You need a broker. Is it harder trading in Australia compared to the US? No, fuck no. It's way easier. You okay, mate? You seem a bit flat. No, I'm good. I'm good. I fucking slept like absolute shit last night, though. Absolute fucking shit. My back is just so fucked. I got a herniated disc, and I did something at the gym yesterday, and it fucking, I don't know. So my sleep was absolutely shit. So that, I don't know if I look tired or some shit, but yeah, well, I sound, but it's probably just because I had like virtually no sleep last night. I know my SI is very bad. Yeah, you got to get that. It's so important, man. You get that shit going. Get on top of it. Exit for XRP is $5. Ew. Ashley Nelson, thank you very much for following me. $5 XRP. Oh, that's probably Australian dollars, but right. $580. What would that be exactly? 3.26. That's not impossible. Definitely not impossible. If that's what you're talking about. If you're talking about $5 then fucking hell. Oh shit. Okay. Jesus. Righto. Are you a scalper or a day trader or swing or position? Day to swing. Day to swing. So I can be in, my trading's very weird. I can be in a position for a day, or I can be in a position for 2 months, you know. It just depends. I try not to be in for a long time because of swap fees, but sometimes it happens. $5 is probably its max before it bleeds to zero. XRP meant to be gold, XLM silver. 676s. Thank you very much for following me. So you can only trade one broke borrowed funds. I think so. I've never looked into like trading with, because you need like an exchange too. Like that, I just can't see how that would work. I literally cannot see how that would work. You might be able to, but fuck, I got no idea. The fuck is a... Oh, what the fuck? I think we'll trade sideways right. A lot of FOMO buying. How do you get started? Join my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. Watch the 1 hour free video on getting started. And if you want to take to the next step, join the mentorship and learn and apply everything that you learn to your trading. I'm here to help. Ashley Nelson, thank you again. Cast oil for back, buddy. Trust me. Del, I don't know what the fuck. Oh, castor oil for my back. Okay. Okay, let me write that down. I'll try fucking anything, I tell ya. Like, actually anything. Castor oil back. My back, it's so fucked. Will AI take over trading? Probably not. No, I'm saying that XRP is right. I'll sell it. Yeah, okay, yep. 676s, thank you very much again. I don't know what that is. Curran. I guess I'm going to have to start my own bank and brokerage to fund myself. Yeah. How much do you usually chuck in per share? So I don't trade shares. I trade CFDs, Forex and indices. He says he risks 1 to 2% account size per trade. No, 0.1. 0.1. But I've changed that to 0.25% as of today. I went through my settings and changed them to accommodate for the current market conditions, which are getting a lot better. They're getting a lot better. So, yeah. That's good, Speedy. I don't know if you're in here, but we got another pump on the Aussie dollar. Be close to getting out. How much do you make on average in a month on average? 7.5% my account size. Hold up. It's fucking hot. I don't want to take my jumper off to show all these fucking, these big muscles. I gotta save some fucking, save some eyes. 0.2 seems like such a small amount unless you have like a mill account. Well, my account isn't small. However, I'm trading about 20 pairs. So it comes, like it adds up pretty quickly, if you know what I mean. So so let's just say, just have a look at my US dollar yen, right? So this is running, my bot is running on 20-ish different pairs, usually 28. So I'm in two positions, right? So these are 0.1, and then this will be 0.13% because when I'm scaling into a position, I add on 1.3 times my account size, my position size. So my initial one was 0.1%, 0.13, and then it will just continue going up and up and up as we scale in. And then when we get out, we have a larger lot size, right? So it doesn't always, it's not always just 0.1% in, out, boom, done, tick. Sometimes we're scaling in. And this is a part of risk management. It's a very important part of risk management, is that we have a smaller initial entry size because we're trading on so many different pairs. I could be in 10 different pairs at once with 0.25%. So that's 2.5% that I'm risking at once on multiple different pairs. And what happens if I need to scale in to multiple of those different pairs? It can add up, A lot of the time it does just fucking, we just get in and then get out, which I could have done on this. So I don't know if you guys can see, but so we've had our large extension down on US dollar yen. We had our little pullback. The bot got me in, which I've developed, by the way. And then, obviously, we got a pullback. I could have gotten out here, but I didn't. And then we came back down again, back in. Was there an exit point for me? Yeah, holy shit. Why the fuck did I not get out there? Oh, wait, no, that's our break even. Okay, yeah. Wait, no, that's our... Oh, no, I did see that yesterday. But I decided to hold it. I did see that yesterday. I saw it when it was crashing. Sorry, there's so many fucking things to remember, and I'm so unbelievably busy right now. So some of these are just getting fucking mushed together. I decided to hold it. I didn't actually see that, but look, we're back up again at break even. We'll probably fizzle back up here, especially with the US dollar yen. The US dollar yen tends to climb up to the 150 to 160 level, right? Oh yeah, we're pretty down bad right now. Hold up. Sorry, that just confused the fuck out of me. So we tend to climb back up to these levels around 150. See, you get these big dips, back up, dip, back up, dip, kind of got back up, dip, back up, dip. That's where we're in. Probably get back up. So just getting to this level here is absolutely fucking nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm not worried about that at all. I'd rather take full TP on that anyway, instead of just taking it out at half TP. So yes. Fuck, I've got my aircon on full blast. TGR hasn't taken a trade in 2 weeks because of market conditions. Yeah, well, TGR trades are like a fucking absolute... I'm not even going to say the word because I don't want to get fucking suspended, but... I don't even know. The way that these SMC and ICT fucking traders talk is just to sound smarter than they actually are. He trades exceptionally fucking strange. The only reason he gets views is because he puts, oh, trade trading, making fucking $500,000 on this fucking trade, blah, blah, blah. Okay, mate. What's your account size? $15 million because you made all your money from crypto? Medicinal gummies help my back feel... I'm not into that stuff, Super Trooper. Just not for me. I'm too high functioning. Where are you from? Brisbane? What stock is this? That was US dollar yen that we were just looking at. Go for gold sub. What? We're Brown Labrador's home family. Thank you very much for following me. We got the likes up to 21,000 likes. We hit 20K by fucking 1 hour. So good job, everybody. Thank you very much for the support. Megsy 6.4. Charles, what's good? I don't even think you said g'day. Jesus 2.7. Fair King 1.8. Sienna 1.5. Guys, crazy. The support recently, the viewers on the stream, we're fucking getting somewhere, okay? We're finally making some fucking traction with streaming and everything. It was a pretty rough. It's hard streaming to like virtually fucking no one, especially when I just talk and talk and talk and talk. So yes, hello. What up, Charles? Go for gold, son. Oh. I still don't, I don't know why you, like, what, like there's just the randomest fucking thing. Nice one, Leighton Hewitt, the fuck? What you trade mainly and what do you trade mainly and what do you recommend? Well, I trade Forex and I've been trading Forex for almost 5 years. I did add the indices in a couple of years ago and I've been trading them as well. At the moment, no, because of market conditions, which, I mean, that does kind of maybe tie into TJR's bullshit about him not, but I haven't been trading indices for months. Maybe like 2 months I canned the indices. Just didn't fucking like it, to be honest. It just, the opens were just all fucked and yeah. So yeah, I didn't personally enjoy it, but what I recommend is probably Forex too. It's how I trade, it's what I teach people to trade, and I like it. So yeah. I always see 97% of day traders lose their money. Is that generally true? Yeah. So the statistic changes between 70 to 95%. I've never really seen 97%, but the statistic does change frequently and it's in between 70 to 95% constantly. I'm sure there's probably a time where 97% of day traders lose their money. And there is like one clear reason why that is. It's because people listen to these fucking idiots on the internet that are liars. They're lying. They get views because they post Lamborghinis and fucking holidays and Dubai lifestyle and all this shit, blah, blah, blah. And it's bullshit. It's literally bullshit. So, and people follow them and expect that it's a get-rich-quick scheme. How many people do you reckon lose their money through get-rich-quick schemes, right? It'd probably be the exact same. True, they do be day trading crypto. Yeah, dude, that's just a psychotic. That's just insane. Who the fuck day trades crypto?
You're actually
Jesus. Thank you, Owen, for following me. Just Forex in general, or like Forex majors, or what? You could class these all as majors. So I trade almost everything, right? Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, CAD, pound, euro, Swiss yen. Any of those crosses, and you could call them majors. I've seen majors fucking not include heaps of shit, right? Slippy, thank you very much for following me. But yeah, pretty much, yeah, majors. I don't fuck with like, you know, the US dollar, South African rand, or like fucking, I don't even know. There's just heaps of random ones with just such little liquidity that it's virtually impossible to trade them. And the spread on them is crazy. But I do teach how to trade all of the pairs together. It's not as scary as it fucking seems. All you got to do is kind of pay attention to what you're in, right? And what's going on around the world in macroeconomics. It's pretty straightforward. Arnulf, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Yes, thanks Owen, Slippy, and Arnulf again for following. Rabbits ate bananas before carrots. Carrots were invented. I'm definitely check your shit out. All good. I'm live every single day, except for Saturdays and some Sundays, depending on how much I've drunk on Saturday night. So yeah, come check it out. Come into the live streams every day. My links are in my bio for like the Discord and everything. Harish44, thank you very much for following me. And the mentorship, I don't push people to join it. It's better, the less people the better, because I do one-on-ones and it doesn't fucking, but like, if I had fucking 100 members in there, I wouldn't have time to do one-on-ones and I'd have to charge, and I don't really want to do that. So yeah, I try to give the most value for the smallest amount of money. How can start and how to do it? Join my Discord. Discord is linked to my bio. Go watch the 1 hour free video on how to get started, and then come ask me questions or join the mentorship. Do you do giveaways? Yeah. Sort of. I don't know if I'm allowed to do giveaways, so I think I'm just gonna say I give gifts, and it's when I will reach certain milestones. So yeah, that's all. That's in my Discord. I'll give away or gift funded accounts or a funded account. Running 16 pairs on fixed lot sizes could be considered genius. Could be considered. Could be. It's doing pretty fucking well for you. Like, holy shit. There's my shit. Dan08, thank you very much for following me. Ooh! Profits for the last 3 days running my demo account of 10K fucking cheering. He's done $474. 4% in 3 days. What the fuck? Fuck! Holy shit! Aries? The fuck, where'd you come from? A heart me and 24 tiny fucking tinies? What the fuck? Dude, you scared the ever-living fuck out of me. That was so loud. Holy fuck! And you reached level 10. Holy shit. Bro, thank you so much for the heart meat, 25 tiny dinies, and 3 roses. Holy fuck. Bro, thank you so much. Juice X, Top Stallion, and Top Stallion again. Thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Holy fuck. What about LPT for long? I don't know what that is. Hell yeah. You. Bro. W Aries. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate that. Big Wheels demo? Yeah. Yep. Did, what's he messaged you, eh? I was meant to give him your, fucking, set file, but, I didn't go on my computer for like 24 hours because it was my mate's birthday on the weekend. And I was a bit, stay away from my computer. So I didn't get to extract it and then send it to him. I didn't know if he really knew how to use the set file. So yeah. Are you a night trader? Anyway, bro's still live. I've only been live for an hour. On my way to number 1 level. Fuck yeah. I'm on my way to city right now. You reckon? Staying at Sky Tower. Fuck yeah. Mad. What game is on? Zodiac, yeah, what the fuck? My mate's watching my live. That's funny as fuck. Sky Tower will be good. Sky Tower's fucking nice, eh? What game is on tonight? W views. Your views or my fucking views? I know 63 people in here. We're fucking jamming. Prediction Cardano? I haven't even heard of that in fucking forever. I got no idea. I have absolutely fucking no clue. Cardano. See, I can't even fucking pronounce it right. Dude, I don't fucking know. What the fuck is even this? Like, what even is this fucking disgusting bullshit? Get the fuck off my screen. Oh, better. Yeah, I was saying, Speedy, you got that fucking push up. You could potentially take profit up around here, eh? Because I'm sure this is pushing up in anticipation for unemployment claim drop. I would not be surprised if they're grabbing liquidity to fucking just slam it back down. I don't know. Welcome in, rookies. Sign up to the mentorship, or you like men. Oh, that deserves a pin. Oh, that's funny as fuck. Thank you, Aries. That is actually funny as fuck. Everything okay with you? Yelling is normal? Yeah, what do you mean? People are joining the fucking, the free WAP. I got to change that, right? Because obviously on WAP, I've got the mentorship and to get to my Discord as well. And I feel like people go to the WAP to look at, to get the bot, but they join the free one not knowing that it's just the fucking Discord, but it's for other people that come in through like YouTube or organically through WAP or whatever. So if you're joining through WAP that's not... Larry, thank you very much for following me. It's not giving you the fucking bot That's only for the mentorship guys. Oh shit, and X Quantify. Thank you very much for following me. We got some viewers up in here. Dude, you know what's so good? Most made in a month. It was on US dollar yen. November 2023. Bzz. Got in that trade before the intervention. Imagine if I did that on that. I full ported a fun account. Holy shit, it is so cold in here. Who put the fucking aircon on? Dude. It is so cold. Who the fuck puts the aircon on in winter? And I'm not gonna say how much that was, but it was like meme coin fucking money. I came on at the best time. Your window view is nice. It's a green screen. Sorry. It's a green screen. Nah, I'm kidding. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. I like it. What do we got? Surely we've got some of these things. All right, we're almost at 1,600 views. We'll get that. 100 minutes, easy. We're streaming for that long. Who the fuck do you think I am? Unless we get suspended, which would be kind of shit. Go live for 750 minutes. That will not happen this week. Go live on 6 days. That will not happen this week. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube as well. Not many people go on there though, because it's YouTube. We'll probably hit that too. Fucking oath. We're gonna be near. I'm gonna be able to gift someone a subscription soon. Dude, we're so close to being able to gift someone a subscription. That's pretty fucking cool. I don't know what the subscription does, but yeah. There you go. X Quantify, what's good? Made me laugh? Great. That's what I'm here for. Entertainment and knowledge. I got 47 Hollywood Hills in my Hollywood Hills account. Do YouTube? Yeah. My YouTube is Tom_trades1 with a Z. I think, actually. I don't even fucking know. I really got to get stuck into YouTube, eh? Because fuck me. Tom_trades1. There's my YouTube. All professional. Got all my lives on it. Any replays you want to watch, you can go watch the replays. Yeah, I don't change my thumbnail. Give me a break. I did some random shit and then I was like, fuck it. We'll use that. I actually got rid of the thumbnail and I got 66 views. So I think I'm gonna start removing it, you know. But I got like my beginner's guide. So that's the 1 hour course video, you could say, on just the complete basics, right? Like I'm talking complete fucking basics. What's a candlestick and shit like that. So if you really want to just get started, that's good. And then if you feel like you want to excel in your trading journey, join the mentorship. Like otherwise you're just gonna end up in a fucking spiral downwards looking at fucking people with Lamborghinis and shit, and yeah, you'll probably lose all your money. Most you made profit in one trade. I'm not going to say the number, but it was on the US dollar yen one that I was just talking about. Go on YouTube and rewind it. I'll just start now. Okay. How crazy is this that like in a couple of days we went from fucking like 10 viewers average to like 60, 70 viewers average. You take that. Maybe it's because I'm entertaining as fuck. And I'm a little boring weirdo. You know what I am? I'm fucking thirsty. Yes. What are your favorite currency pairs to trade? That's a fantastic question. However, I don't have favorites. Whichever one makes me the most money. like it doesn't, because I trade 28 different pairs, on average, at the moment only about 20, but because I trade that many pairs, there's no favorites. Like, doesn't really matter, to be honest. Doesn't really matter. As long as I'm making money throughout the month, that's all that matters. Hey, when will Solana rise up? Fuck, I don't even have Solana on here. I got no idea. I haven't even looked at Solana pricing for fucking, I don't even know how long. Oh shit, you guys are kind of down bad, eh? Fuck, you got down real bad. You guys went to like 104? What the fuck? 106? 105? Yeah. What the fuck? Jesus. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe eventually when the hype, there'll probably be another meme coin fucking run. But the thing with meme coins is they're so fucked now. Like, they were fucked before, but now with like all the sniper bots and fucking like, what do you even call it? They're just like the insider fucking trading. It's just such a scam, right? It's such a scam. So I don't know. I really don't know. What ended up happening to the Trump coin? Because I bought some of that, made a bit, and then I just left it. I was like, oh, whatever. Is this even it? Is this it? No. There's no way. Is this it? Is this actually it? I don't know. You guys tell me. Is this it? It looks like it because it was like Trump's fucking head or whatever. There's no way. Is this actually it? Really? No, this is good. Okay, this is it. Wait, that's like the same. Yeah, that's the same. I'm confused though. It's just different exchanges, right? Meteora or Radium. I don't know what the difference is, but the volume, like what? Liquidity 24,000. That can't be right. This makes more sense. That's crazy. Yeah, I think I bought around like fucking here or some shit. And then it fucking spiked, and then I was just like, oh, whatever. I don't care. Fucking hell. That's crazy that it like legit looked like him. Like, how fucked is that? Pretty funny. Oh well, enough of that garbage. At least Trump coin isn't zero. Yeah, that's true. But who really gives a fuck? Who the fuck's buying Trump coin now? Birchop with a heart me and a go popular. Thank you very much, Birchop. I appreciate the support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Trump took huge profit. Did he? Look at these absolute perfect Forex market conditions. Oh, that makes me think dirty thoughts about these candlesticks. Dirty, dirty thoughts. Are we selling gold? I don't know. I don't trade gold. Where are we at? I mean, depends what time frame you're looking at. If you're looking at a lower time frame, potentially. Go follow Daniel Holmes. He does gold. I don't. From a technical standpoint, if I was... But this is the thing. I don't know how fucking gold trades. I wouldn't even trade that. Maybe I would. Nah. Oh, shit. Yeah, no. I wouldn't trade that yet. Nah. But it's not in the worst position for a sell, but... Abdullah, thank you very much for following me. I'm not the gold man. Wait, where's my fucking... Oh, that's why. There we go. Meow. Man, I need like... I'm so tired. I need more caffeine. Is my hair sticking out of here? Yeah, we're chilling. Fuck. Meow. I'm on my last 40. What do you mean? I don't know what that is. Someone actually asked earlier, Miguelito, I remember, sorry, I forgot about that message. I've been trading for a year and a half, great job. Any advice on going live? I have $1,000 to start. Just start. If you've been doing it for a year and a half, if you've been doing it for a year and a half, you should probably be competent unless you have been learning from the wrong people like I did for a year and a half, and I was demo for a year and a half. So it really depends. It really depends how competent you are at this stage. I was just learning from the wrong people, so, you know, I had that issue, but if you feel competent and confident enough to start, just jump in. But if you're not happy with your strategy, then you might need to reevaluate. But I was in the same position as you for a year and a half, demo trading, until I found my mentor. And then it took me about 6 months and I was in. I jumped in with 20K and it was fucking only up from there. Bahululu, thank you very much for following me. Are you in a trade? Yeah, I'm in a few. The main ones I'm looking at is US dollar yen, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. But I'm in a few. I'm always in trades. How did my Aussie dollar Swiss get there? I don't know how that happened. And we're down on this, but we should be getting another entry in there. Hopefully popping off last week's low. Straight up. And I'll probably look at last week's high for TP. We'll see. All this gap fill here. Depends. I have a good track record on backtesting 3 months and live 1 week light. Should I scale up? Scale up what to get a payout? So you're using a prop firm? Is that what you're saying? Bro, I made 500 this morning from gold. Great job. Good job. I don't trade gold, so I don't really have any holy shit. But nah, fucking awesome. Larry, sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. 5.5k likes. You're almost up at Meegsy, which is at 6.4. Charles 4.7. Jesus 2.7. X Quantify 2.3. Fair King 1.8, Sienna 1.5, Mason 600, Speedy 400, 500. Thank you guys very much. What taught you the most about trading when you started? What taught you the most about trading when you started? It sounds like a good question, but can you just rephrase that a little bit? What taught you the most about trading? Or like, what was my biggest lesson in trading was probably you have no control over what the market's going to do. Absolutely zero fucking no control whatsoever. And almost everyone online is full of shit and doesn't know what the fuck they're talking about. What up, Toby? How are ya? What's good? How's work yesterday? Your missus jumped in and told us you weren't coming in. Oh, not yesterday, the day before. Trevor, yes. Yeah, look, if you want, I urge new traders to steer clear of prop firms. They're designed for you to lose. I say this every fucking stream. They're designed for you to lose. So I'd be very cautious about how you trade. Look at it like this, right? So you can scale up, right? But if you're a new trader, this is how you should be trading. Is you should be trading as if your maximum daily drawdown is your entire account size. Because our job as traders is capital preservation. You need to preserve your capital. If you blow the money, if you get fucked on the maximum drawdown limit for the day, you lose everything, right? So you have to trade as if that is your maximum capital if you want it to work long term, which is extremely difficult. And then if you do that, they'll probably make up some fucking rule to tell you that you're doing the wrong thing. Making bank while living in the red. Yes, that is something that I'm going through with this shit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going through. That's what I was just doing today, was talking about how drawdown is our friend and we want to be in drawdown. That's just our risk. So yeah, I was going through all of that. That's going to be in there too. Just so I can kind of clear it up with people that might be a little bit fucking, you know what I mean? Larry, I don't know how to pronounce your fucking name. 6.5k fucking likes. Let's fucking go. Thank you very much. Absolute weapon. Absolute fucking weapon. Joaz. Joass. Thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Gold goes through the roof. You're missing out. Am I though? Shit goes through the roof all the time. Sounds like you might be an emotional trader. The likes is trending now. Go long. How you doing, bro? Good evening, Evan. I'm doing pretty fucking well. How are you? I'm doing pretty well. Joaz, thank you very much for following me. I understand that a lot better now, my guy. Your strategy is killer. Yeah. But that's the thing is I don't think I explained that very well. It's gonna be a lot. And a lot of things that I'm gonna say is I'm gonna be repeating myself, but needs to be drilled into, fucking drilled. I need to drill it. I need to drill it. Yo, what up, Splick? You are welcome. Thank you. What are you trading right now? Forex. I'm in multiple trades. New to trading, and I'll keep up with your live sessions so I can learn more. Fantastic. That's great to hear. I'm always here, always streaming. Careful, bro. Cop another ban. Yeah, I know. I should be. Yeah, fuck. We're about to hit our daily 100-minute. That's not gonna fucking happen. Go live on 6 days. Fuck, I really could have done that this week, but I got fucking suspended. That's a lot of fucking coins too. 250? Fuck. Annoying. What app do you use on PC to trade? MetaTrader 4. My broker is Blackpool Markets. Where the fuck did everyone go? Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Yo, what's up? Don't chase. Let the market come to your zones. That is 100% fucking true, yes. 100% true. The drilling got them scared. Yeah, I know. We just went from like fucking 60, 70 viewers to 20 in like a second. Like, you wonder if it's like bots, right? Like, who the fuck were even those people? Trading pool already finished for the month. Dude is nuts. Yeah. I don't know. That doesn't particularly make too much sense to me, but sure. Hello, I follow you. Dane Insane. You follow me? Like where? I mean, I would too. If I saw someone as absolutely fucking stunning as this fucking good-looking rooster. That's so weird. Hello, I follow you. Hello, I follow you. Like, can't the actual fuck? The weirdest thing. Like, it says AU too. Like, are you... He doesn't... Bro, this guy doesn't even follow me on like, what the fuck? He doesn't even follow me. He doesn't actually follow me. I thought, he probably just doesn't speak good English or something, and he, but like, okay. Legit looks worried. I mean, look behind you. Oh, unless he's climbing up fucking many floors. Grandma, thank you very much for following me. He's not climbing up this many fucking floors, so yeah. This is why the viewers are leaving. Sibonisu Imbonginjongo. Thank you very much for following me. I think I said that right. This is why viewers are leaving. I mean, they came back, so. Usu. Danilo X1. Thank you very much for following me. I'm going to post a video on fucking TikTok, I think. I'm going to post a TikTok video. Next week, maybe. Oh no, maybe I'll do it tomorrow night. Sabon, yes, 100. Thank you. What content do people want to see? That's the thing. It's like, I'm doing this for everyone else. I don't make the content for me to fucking watch. So it's like, bro, you go look at my old videos. It's like me like beating this fucking chair to bits. It's pretty funny. It was kind of fun. I enjoyed doing that. But nothing of value. I just need better. I need like a content manager, you know? Someone that just fucking tells me what to do. Dane Insane, thank you very much for following me. I'm back. Cool. Cool. Thank you very much, Sherman Media. Man, that humiliation ritual is fucking horrible, eh? Now I follow you, yeah. Like, how fucking humiliating is that shit? Mad, we hit the 100. We hit the 100 minute. Post one short video. Oh, fuck, okay, maybe I do that. Maybe I film that tonight. If I can be fucked. Go live on 6 days. Yeah, no. Okay. Do we get another flare? That's the real question. Shit! I have to do that. And then wait for next week. Hello, Alvi. You profitable? Yep. Can I have $1 million, please? Yep. Sure. Send me your BSB account number, full name, address, your card details, the CVV on the back, the number, expiry date, and send me a copy of your signature too, please. And I'll send it to you. Got you, bro. Even the 3 wacky numbers on the back too. Yeah, that's the CVV. Yeah. Yep. I'm getting hungry. It's 8:32. I need to eat. I'm gonna make some rice noodles with beef. Alright, our viewers just fucked off again. Alright, let's hold up. Let's go through these viewers to see if they're real, right? I'm going through them because it just seems sus, you know? Like, who the fuck are these people? And no one says shit either. Like, literally no one says anything. I mean, they do, like, some people do, but some people just come in and just lurk. And it's like, what are you doing? Super Forex easy deposit. What the fuck? Jaco, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Esbonyugian. Извините. I don't even know. Извините. Привет. Я немного говорю по-русски. Okay, I don't know if these really counts or not. This is fucking bizarre though. Eddie, thank you very much for following me. What up, Eddie? Am I the only one waiting for retest on gold? Maybe. Probably not. Does gold often break and retest? I don't know. What are you trading, Forex? Eddie Lewis, thank you again. Where are you from, bro? Oz, yep, Brizzy. Doc, what's good? It's been a while. I'm good, how are you? I'll never forget my OGs. Fuck, I'm just gonna quickly check if I have a small caffeination drink. I'll be back. I don't. Still in the Philippines. Nice, nice. How is it? I forgot that. That's right. You're visiting your like girlfriend or wife or whatever. How is it? This. I'm guessing everyone fucked off. Good, I done all my dental work. I'm ready to come back home this coming Monday. Fuck yeah. Is it cheaper over there for dental? Is it like Turkey 2.0? Shit, I don't know. Is that cut off? No. Perfect. Perfecto. Holy shit, we're at 43,000 fucking likes? When did that happen? What the fuck? Larry, 7.5. Jackson Russ, thank you very much for following me. I need a follow count. Someone go check my followers. How many followers do I have? Yes, it cost me 800 for 2 crowns and a tooth extraction. That's pretty fucking cheap. That's pretty fucking cheap. Especially if you, like, I guess you probably wouldn't have, like health insurance over there either. 2737. Thank you very much. Is it Larry or Larray? Or how do you pronounce it? Because I don't want to keep calling you the wrong fucking name. Thank you very much for that. So we got, what, 37 followers today. Because I was at 2.7 exactly. Is this crypto? No. Larray. Sweet. Larray. Mad. Okay. I'll remember that. But I'll try to. Larray. Easy. 44k likes. Fucking hell. We'll probably go to 2 hours, see how the viewership's going, see how the engagement is, if people are coming in, you know what I mean? And then if it's shit, I'll fuck off. Is this crypto? Nope. Forex. Foreign exchange market. Oh, my back is toast. Someone asked me some questions so I can go on a fucking rant. I want to start yelling about some shit. I'm too fucking tired to sit here and talk to myself. Otherwise, I'll just fuck off. Or do I need to start playing fucking GeoGuessr? That'd be kind of fun. How's your month been in trading? It's been good. It's been slow because I've been only risking 0.1%. So the gains are minimal, but it's been consistent and good. I mean, it's only been a couple of days. And we've done 0.65, I think, this week. So it's slow because my fucking risk has been so small, you know. It should be upwards of like 1.5%, but I obviously have been a little bit more, what's the word again? Fucking conservative. So I've upped my position sizing to 0.25% of my account for the initial lot size. It was from last month. Yeah, last month was okay. We ended up on like 6%, which is good considering I was only using 0.1% lot sizes. So it would have been a pretty decent month. What's the best trading platform to use in Australia? I use MetaTrader 4 and Blackbull Markets as my broker. Just the go-to. What is your stop loss TP ratio? I don't have one. I don't use stop losses. Excellent. Thank you, Doc. Thank you. No stop loss. Fuck no. Stop losses are... The majority of people that use stop losses don't make any fucking money, hence the statistics. But anytime I say I don't use a fucking stop loss, everybody loses their mind because they don't realize that there are a shitload of strategies out there that don't use stop losses, but everybody's programmed to lose a stop loss to become liquidity for financial institutions. If you have the correct risk management, you don't fucking need one. God, come on, guys. Fucking dying down a bit. We've got 60 people in here. Should be fucking spamming this shit. What do you buy? NASDAQ tech stock? No. Forex. If I'm trading the indices, I will trade the NASDAQ. I'll scalp it on market open. But... yeah. At the moment, it's just Forex. How about the size lot according to your trading account in percentage? 0.25%. I like just went over that. Like literally just then. I don't know if you heard it or not, but yeah. 0.25% is my initial lot size, and then I'll scale in at a 1.3x multiplier. However, I was using 0.1% and still scaling it at 1.3x multiplier. on your charts, are you using strictly price action or there are other strategies you're using? Yeah, I just use a combination of indicators to get me in. And I team that with fundamentals and indicators to get out. Yeah. You're unbanned. Let's go. Fucking oath. What's good, Sean? Yeah, that was painful. Jesus. Fucking absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely fucking ridiculous. How are you, but Sean? How are you? Just as fucking Josh came in and started, you know, swinging it around. Who's his big R? I was like, right. You're gonna be kidding me. Gold? Nah, I don't trade gold. How do you learn everything you know now? Just trial and error? Or yeah, trial and error. And I paid for multiple mentorships and fucking courses. Sorry, I'm fucked. I literally barely slept last night. Multiple mentorships, multiple courses, went YouTube forever, demo trading for 2 years. It was a long journey. And now I'm the mentor that I teach everything that I know because I've been doing this for almost 5 years. Do you use that binary tool? Nah, that was, I sent you a gift, you got banned. Yeah, it was because I said I called him a psychopath. For sending that big of a gift. Or maybe it was you. I can't remember. I was like, you fucking kidding me? Questos G, thank you very much for following me. Do you know what I'm talking about? Nah, I don't. What's your trade schedule like in Australia? I go to sleep at 6 a.m. But it doesn't really matter. It seriously, it doesn't really. If I'm trading the indices, it matters. Because obviously New York Open is around midnight. So I actually don't, I haven't even, this is what I mean. I haven't been trading the market open. I don't even know what time it is. If it's still 11:30, it might still be 11:30. I don't know if the time zones have changed recently. I don't think they have. So yeah, you gotta be up late. But at the moment, I'm not trading indices. But my fucking sleep schedule is just cooked. No, it was me. Oh, true. Yeah, bro, fuck. I was like, man, the fuck. Yeah, it probably was you, actually, yeah. What strategy? Mean reversion, martingale, and dollar cost averaging. All programmed into one expert advisor or trading bot that I developed. And yeah, be back soon. I got something to do for a bit. Oh, sweet, brother. I'm at 2 hours, so I might jump off if we start to die down again. But yeah, we'll see. THL, thank you very much for following me. Does SMC still work? Anyway, it was good to see you, Sean. If I don't see you again, take it easy, brother. I don't know if it ever worked. I don't think it ever worked. I've never met a profitable smart money concepts trader in the network of profitable traders that I actually know. I don't know a single one. And these are like real profitable traders, not these fucking gurus that just post their fucking Lamborghinis and shit for marketing. Gold buy? I don't know. Well, it seems like I had a bit tried to retest. I don't know. I don't trade gold, so I have no idea. No idea. It might pop. I don't know how gold reacts to certain indicators, certain instruments. It's different for a lot of different things, right? And I've traded a little bit of gold years ago, but yeah. You have to go for a sell now? Well, maybe. I don't know. Do you have a Discord? Yep, Discord's linked to my bio. Completely free. Obviously, I have the mentorship and everything, but you don't need to join that. I've got a free Discord. That's only for people that want to get my EA and actually do something with trading. Man, the amount of people, it's actually crazy the amount of people that cave when there's no motivation. It's fucking insane. Dude, I like barely fucking slept last night. My back is fucked. All I want to do is just lie down in my bed. But I've been sitting on my computer for fucking hours and hours and hours and hours and hours working, and now I'm live streaming. You fucking, do you really think I have fucking motivation to do this shit? No. No. I enjoy live streaming. I enjoy talking to everyone, but fuck me, I'd way rather just be lying in bed. You gotta work. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know? But yeah, it's crazy the amount of people that join or message me, talk to me, oh, what's this, what's this, what's this, and then just can't be fucked anymore. It's fucked. It's Nicky Billy. Thank you very much for following me. Is trading your only income? Yeah, I got a bit here and there, but yeah, main source, yes. The mentorship pays me nothing because it's so cheap, which is fucking stupid on my end, and I did that to myself by making it cost virtually nothing compared to the amount of time that I spent on it, but it's okay. It's okay, I don't really need it. And I got like some affiliate links that I might have made like virtually nothing. Couple $100. So yeah, I mean, sorta, but not really. Oh, what do we got here? Bonza! With the Hummy. How we doing? I'm good. How are you? I'm good. I'm a bit fucking tired. But I don't want to mope too much, you know. But yeah, no, good. Besides that, good. Good. Could be worse. Could be worse. Thank you very much for the heart, me. I appreciate that. Good man. One of them days, I feel ya. Yeah, back's playing up like crazy. Solano? Thank you very much for following me. Yeah. I'll sleep. Hopefully I sleep for fucking ever tonight. That'd be nice. That'd be fantastic. But it's probably not gonna happen. And then it's the weekend. What is everyone doing for the weekend? It's fucking almost Friday. What are the weekend plans? What are your fucking weekend plans? If you're not typing, I'm joining your mentorship and actually learning how to trade instead of being a loser, I don't want to hear it. Except for you, Bonzo, of course. Yeah, I was just joking. Nah, I don't want to know. Away from work, coming back to Brizzy this weekend, sinking a few cheekies. Fuck yeah. That sounds pretty good. That sounds pretty good. Long weekend. Nice, Mr. Fax. Okay, yeah. Thank you very much for following me. Long weekend. Like, is it just for you or is it an actual long weekend? There's no way it's a long weekend this weekend, right? Holy shit! No way, Bonzo with the fucking sunglasses. That scared the ever-living fucking shit out of me. Holy fuck, that was loud. Bro, thank you very much for the sunglasses. Thank you very, 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 very much for the sunglasses, man. I appreciate that so much. What the fuck? Dude. Absolute fucking legend. That's cool. What is that feature called to make sound effects? I don't actually know. alert. It's just alert. It's the 5th of June. April, nah. Not for us, at least. Tickfinity. No, I use Tickfinity for the light counter. And then, that's just on fucking TikTok. It's like this thing, just the alert. Yeah, it is. It's meant to be October, right? Yeah, 6th of October. 6th October. 6th October. Do you guys know what 6th of October is as well? Oh, that scared the shit out of me. AAVN, thank you very much for following me. Okay, well, it was 6th of October over there, but it was, how do I even remember that? How the fuck do I remember the date of that fucking fight? Man, there's no public holidays for a long time. Nothing. You guys are waiting until fucking October. That's rough. That's super rough. For you guys, not for me. Get it? Because you guys have to like go to a job and shit. Enjoy waiting around for your public holidays. You know what? I might have a public holiday tomorrow just for myself. That's mean. That's mean. I'm sorry. 3, 4, 20, no sell. I don't know. Maybe. Wait for London. You got fucking unemployment coming out too. So we'll see. That's a big fucking... Actually, not really. I guess it's pretty standard with gold. Yeah, I don't know. 100% King's birthday. Yeah. Yeah, I use Tickfinity for my gift sound alerts. I didn't know studios did sound alerts. Yeah, dude, I'm not... Oh, dude, that's so scary, man, hearing that. After you gifted that, just the... Oh, bro, it's terrifying. Holy shit! Larray! Almost hitting 10k fucking likes. Holy shit. Danilo. Oh, dude, so fucking scary, man. Elite Freelancers and Kovataviv. Tiv. Bro, I don't know. Thank you guys very much for following me. Yeah, I don't know what any of this... Holy fuck! Bro, a fucking money gun? Are you serious? What the... Isn't that like half a galaxy? Holy fuck. Dude, thank you for absolutely obliterating my eardrums. And thank you very much for that. What the fuck? Holy shit. Man, thank you very much for the both of those fucking gifts. That's like... Very, very, very kind of you. You don't need to do that shit in here. Like, don't feel the need to gift. Jesus Christ, that scared me. Ancient Wisdom, thank you very much for following me. Bro, fucking... Like, thank you. It supports me a lot. It does help a lot with this shit, but don't feel the need to ever come in here and ever do that. And that goes for everyone. You don't need to do that shit. You guys just being here and engaging is enough. So thank you. 9th June, long weekend news. Okay, right, yeah. Circle Internet Group IPO lists in Robinhood today. I don't care, to be honest. I didn't mean to discard exactly what you were saying, but it's just not my forte. So, yeah. But good luck with whatever it is. Making good bread lately. Yep, just kneading away. In case anyone is interested, ticker is going to be CRCL. Ancient Wisdom followed. Thank you very much. Mr. Fax. He's not a bread maker. He's a day trader. Deserve it, bro. I appreciate it. It does. I do this for free. Like, this stuff is... Like, I don't get paid for it unless I get fucking gifts. So, I do appreciate it a lot. Because I'm basically just, like, I'm making money as with trading. So, this is out of the goodness of my heart. So, yeah. Thank you. Karu Poeg. Thank you very much for following me. I appreciate it. Damn, 10K. Luray. Fucking hell. Absolute weapon. Sitting there smashing that shit. Holy fuck. No fucking way. Holy shit. Guys, just wait for this fucking one. Holy fuck. Bro, I check this every day. Listen. Detectives have charged a 34-year-old man and 33-year-old woman with murder in relation to the disappearance of 17-year-old Phoebe Bishop from Bundaberg. I don't know if anyone's following that, but I certainly fucking am. Nothing? No one fucking knows about that? Holy shit. They fucking did it. Holy fuck. The Phoebe Bishop case, Hooper. If you haven't seen it all over the internet for the last fucking 3 weeks, gotta be living under a rock. It's on every single news page right now. Holy shit. It's my entire fucking feed. So, I don't know if anybody's been paying attention to that one, but the Phoebe Bishop case, they have charged the housemates with murder and interfering with a corpse. Well, her mum had nothing to do with it. They've just charged them with murder and interfering with the corpse. So they know something. If they've charged them, and to charge them with interfering with the corpse, they've obviously gone and moved it or something. So yeah. No, it was more than a month ago. She went missing on the 15th. So it was this month, and she had the sketchy fucking sketchy housemates that had like guns on them and shit. I fucking knew it. I knew it. And I'm sure everyone did. Everybody was probably like, it was the roommates. Because, man, they had like dogs like all scattered around their fucking house. Like, the fuck? And pew-pews. Pew, pew, pew. They found them in the cars and everything. Like, come on. Come on. They did it. That's wild, man. Holy shit. That's wild. I was literally talking about that today with someone. And I watch it every single, like I look it up every single day. That's insane. Well, she's unalive. Fucking hell. How fast do you think it's possible to learn if you study every day? I mean, I pretty much studied every day and it took me 2 years. It depends on who you learn from and what information you're getting. What am I watching? Some beautiful Ranger and the financial markets. What pair is this? Pound US dollar. Are you guys going to try and get me to 2,800 followers or what? Trading with the Rusty Rod. Thank you very much. We have enough people in here to get me to 2.8k. We have enough people in here. Like, get it together, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, I feel like half these people are bots or some shit. I might jump off. We got 4,000 views this whole fucking stream, which is nuts. Which is absolutely fucking insane. Wait. Oh, are you fucking serious? God dang it. Law Sands, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Are there any traits or characteristics that would speed up the learning process of someone? Obsessive compulsive disorder, which I have. I get obsessed with stuff and need to know everything about it and fucking, you know. Yeah, so that would help. Also, like, I don't fucking know. Hyperfixation on things. I don't really know. But yeah, you have OCD, good. Get OCD about it. And you'll be just fine. And learn from the right person. Doesn't need to be me, but there's not many people out there that are not full of shit. What do you think is the best way to start and where to get the study material from? From me. It's literally why I'm here. There's a 1 hour free video on YouTube. Just go on my fucking Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. and then check out the video. It's in a free course tab on the Discord, and then fucking come ask me questions or join the mentorship if you feel like you want to continue and actually get good at trading and make money. What do you think is the best way to start and where to get the study material? All right, I just answered that. Did you have a mentor? Yeah. Yeah, I had a mentor. Multiple. And the majority of them were full of shit. Thank you for following me as well. Literally the majority of them had fucking absolutely no idea what the fuck they were talking about. It took one mentor to get me over the edge and make me realize that everyone else is full of shit, and all the fucking Lambos and all this bullshit, it's fake. It's all fake. Get rich quick scheme, which trading is not. So if you want to get good at this, you need to cut that shit out of your fucking brain, because you're not going to turn $1,000 into $100,000. Won't happen. What up, Nescafe? What do you think it's possible to sell? What do you think it's possible to sell position? Man, you might need to reword that. I don't know what that means. Are you a copy of Daniel Holmes? No. No. He trades completely fucking different to me. I talked to him. He's a nice bloke, but he's a completely different fucking trader. And I think he's actually been trading for less time than I have. What do you think of gold this morning? I actually didn't even know he existed. I literally didn't even know he existed until like maybe a month or two after I started doing this stuff. I literally did not know he existed, because I don't pay attention to fucking any like internet people. I haven't paid attention to any trading internet anything for years, literal years, because it's such a toxic environment and pretty much everyone's full of shit. Why his studio setup has such a good vibe, whereas yours is slightly noisy? I don't know. Does anyone know what this guy's talking about with the noisy setup? What? It's about the mic. Is my mic fucked? Or is your name like proving, is he just being a dedicated troll? Like, I'm confused. What do you think of gold this morning? I don't trade gold. And I actually tell people to go follow Daniel Holmes. I've said it like 3 times this stream. Go talk to him, because he's the gold guy. What do you mean full of shit? It means that they don't actually trade and they're liars. And that it's just a get rich quick scheme. 2%. Of what? I'm from Malaysia. Oh, true, nice. Sorry. MDM Arson. Okay. Do you trade Bitcoin? No. What made you start trading? What made you stay consistent? I don't particularly remember why I started. But it would have been the same reason why I started all the other side hustles and everything, was that I fucking hated working. Absolutely hated working. Like a job. I do like 6 times more work now than I ever did when I had a job, but I just hated having a boss, having to get up at a certain time. I don't know, it's just not for me. So that's why I did it, and staying consistent was because I told myself when I first started that I just have to continue and just have to keep going until I made it. Because I had other side hustles or businesses or whatever that I tried that I didn't stay consistent with. Some made money, some didn't. And there was one that I was in that I didn't mentally enjoy doing because it's not a good industry to be in. And I wanted to get out of that and start something else, so I started trading. You don't hear any background noise? Okay, nice to meet you. I'm from Malaysian, actually. Yes, nice to meet you too. I think you just got clipped. How'd I just get clipped? You got a fancy mic where yours is hands-free. Is it? Do you trade Bitcoin? No. There's no background noise to me. Good move. Yeah, I don't know. Daniel Hopes makes fun of our jobs that we have to get up at 6 in the morning and follow what bosses say. Okay. I do that also sometimes. I'm really confused on who this person is and what they're even like here to do. Troll, I guess. But sure, yeah, do whatever you want. This is a fun environment where we have fun and learn. Thank you, the bullish babe crypto, for following me. I appreciate that a lot. Michelle, what's going on? How are you? I'm about to get off. Came in a bit late. I'm starting streaming an hour later than I usually do now as well. How long did it take before you became profitable? A year and a half to 2 years. Year and a half to 2 years. It was pretty quick after I started working with my final mentor. And then I was live after 6 months of working with him. There we go. Apple News. I don't even know. This never comes up. Housemates of Queensland teenager Phoebe Bishop charged with murder. Wait. Oh, Michelle, thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate that. I'm good. I'm about to boost though. I'm about to boost. Sorry, I coughed straight in the fucking microphone. That's apparently noisy as shit. And Daniel Holmes is the best person ever. Oh my God. Dude, what the fuck? That was so weird. Cassie Trades. Thank you very much for the rose. I appreciate that. Is that what this person is? No. That's weird. It has like the same... I've never seen that symbol before in my life, but apparently 2 people have it at once. Hello, D. Dwee. It's been 2.5 hours. Oh, shit. Cassie Trades, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that a lot, and I really appreciate the rose too. Thank you. If you're not following, follow. I'm live every single day at now 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I'll be off for Saturday nights, maybe Sundays, depending on how hungover I am. If I drunk on Saturday night or if I did not. And yeah, I'm gonna go. That was a good stream. Thank you all for the gifts. We had lots of gifts today. I appreciate that. Lots of comments, lots of likes. We're at 55K. Like, come on. Lorray, Meigsy, Charles Oliveira, Danilo, Aiden Collins, Quantify, Jesus, AGJK. Thank you guys very much for liking, keeping us going. Thanks everyone for the gifts. Thank you everyone for the comments. If you got anything else to say it now before I leave. And don't forget to follow me. When will gold come down? I don't know. I don't trade gold. That's a Daniel Holmes thing. I don't trade gold. That's him. So go join his Discord or some shit because I don't trade gold. I've got nothing to do with it. That's another thing. My Discord's linked to my bio. Get the fuck in the Discord. What are you doing if you're not in the Discord? Go into my fucking bio, click the link, external browser up the top, 3 dots, open an external browser, get over there, get in the Discord, come say g'day, come talk some shit. You know what I mean? AGJK, thank you very much for following me. Ooh, ooh. How long have you been a trader? Almost 5 years. Yo, chill. When will gold come down? I don't know. What's one piece of advice you would tell your younger trade self? Someone asked me this the other day, but it would probably be, don't believe all the bullshit you see online. And I direct him to go straight to my original mentor. Or my final mentor. Take care, Tom. See you next time. See you next time, Doc. Hopefully everything goes well in the Philippines. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Jamai, thank you very much for following me. All right, see you guys later. Don't forget to fucking follow me. It's free. It's Warren Buffett, outdated and overused methods. I don't fucking know. I don't follow him. Good stream. See you, bro. See you guys later. See you guys later. Yay, Zawai. Thank you very much. Follow me. It's free. Costs nothing. All right. See you guys. Have a wonderful night. I'll see you tomorrow.